Welcome to your guide on managing annual leave in Google Sheets. Managing annual leave can be tricky, but with Google Sheets you can easily calculate and track it. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a leave tracking system that calculates leave balances in real time. Let's get started by setting up our spreadsheet. First, create the following columns: employee name, start date, annual leave balance, accrued leave balance. Now, let's input some basic data. Enter the employee's name, their start date, and their initial annual leave balance. This is how much leave they're entitled to for the year. Next, we'll define how much leave each employee earns each month. If an employee earns 20 days per year, we'll divide that by 12 to get about 1.67 days per month. In the leave taken column, you'll input how many leave days the employee has used. This can be updated whenever they take time off. Now comes the important part, calculating how much leave is remaining. We're going to use a formula that adds the annual leave balance to the leave accrued so far, and then subtracts the leave taken. Here's the formula. It adds the starting leave to the accrued leave, which is based on the employee's start date, and subtracts the leave taken. This gives us the remaining leave balance. For example, if John Doe started with 20 days of leave, has taken 5 days off, and it's been 6 months since he joined, the formula will calculate how much leave he has left. You can customize the monthly accrual based on your company's policy, and even link the leave taken column to another sheet where leave requests are logged. That's it. You now have a fully functioning annual leave tracker in Google Sheets. It dynamically updates based on the current date and tracks leave balances in real time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Google Sheets tutorials.